In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Gantt chart in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline how you share project timelines, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process seamlessly to ensure your data is exported efficiently and accurately. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to visit Monday.com. Once you're there, look to the upper right hand corner of your screen and you'll see the option to log in. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. You can also choose to sign in with Google if you prefer. If you opt for this, simply select the email address you wish to use and you'll quickly be redirected into your Monday.com workspace. With access to your workspace established, it's time to locate the specific board that contains the data you want to export. Navigate through your boards and select the one you're interested in. Ensure you've selected the correct board because this is where the data resides that you'd like to view in a Gantt chart format. Now let's focus on Gantt charts, which are an excellent way to visualize project schedules. On your selected board, click on the Gantt view. If it hasn't been set up already, you might need to add it by clicking the plus sign above your board. From the drop-down menu, select Gantt, and you'll immediately see your data transformed into this comprehensive timeline display. Once you're satisfied with the Gantt chart view, look to the top right corner of the Gantt widget. You'll see a 3 dots icon, often referred to as the More Options arrow icon. Click on this to reveal more functionalities. Here, you'll find the Export option. Clicking on Export opens up the choice to export your Gantt chart to either PDF or Excel format. Both options are great for sharing with team members who might not have direct access to your Monday.com workspace, or simply for archiving purposes. Choose the format that best suits your needs. PDFs are excellent for visual consistency, whereas Excel might be preferable if you expect to make further edits after export. And there you have it, your Gantt chart is ready to be shared outside of Monday.com. Remember, exporting charts is a powerful way to communicate progress and scheduling with stakeholders or team members. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need to share your project planning information. Thanks for joining me today as we navigated through exporting Gantt charts from Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a comment or like and subscribe for more insightful guides on maximizing your productivity. Happy project managing!